Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you simple and effective way to FaceTime problem on iOS 26. If FaceTime won't activate, fails call, video or audio doesn't work, or FaceTime won't open, follow these steps. First, make sure your phone is connected with good Wi-Fi or mobile data. FaceTime needs a strong internet connection. Try opening a website or video to confirm your internet is working. After that, open the setting app, scroll down and tap on FaceTime. Make sure FaceTime is turned on. If it's already turned on, turn it off, wait for 30 seconds and then turn it on again. Still in FaceTime settings, check that your phone number is selected, your Apple ID, Gmail is correct. If needed, tap your Apple ID, sign out, then sign in back. Press and hold the slide button and volume button together. Slide to power off, wait for 30 seconds, then turn your iPhone back on. This fixes many temporary FaceTime bugs. Go back to settings, tap on general, tap on software update, install any available update. Update often fix FaceTime connection and activation issues. That's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.